Okay, so my voice is a bit muffled because I'm wearing my respirator right now. Still got a bit more cutting to do, so don't want to take it off. But that is all that's left of the straight cool unit. And then this is a window unit that I'm also going to cut up. Again, this is the Goodman. And what did I do with the access panel for the Goodman? There it is. Perfect. Defrost board. And the most efficient way to scrap a condenser coil is to stomp it flat like that. Alright. Now, I don't know how many nominal tons this one is, but the Goodman is a 1.5, and it has a thicker coil than a 2.5 ton Bryant straight cool that I scrapped. So I don't know what's up with that. I sound a bit like Darth Vader. No, I am your father. I was hoping to make a... This did not go as planned. I thought I was going to be able to stomp that flat on the video, but it's harder than I thought. The Goodman was easier. So yeah, that is my progress so far. More than likely one more video to come. If not, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.